would be 52. All right, so here's our example. If $3,000 is invested at an interest rate of 2.2% per year, compounded monthly, find the investment after 2 years. All right. So plugging in our values, so we have 3,000 is invested, interest rate of 2.2%, we're compounding monthly, and we want to find the investment after 2 years. So I know I'm going to be using the function a of t equals p times 1 plus r over n to the n to the t. And I'm trying to find a of t. So let's figure out what my p, r, and n and t values are. Well, p is my principal, which is $3,000. My rate, r, is 22, which as a decimal is 0.022. Compounded monthly, that is going to be that n is equal to 12. And the investment after 2 years is going to be t equal to 2. Alrighty, so there we go. So we're going to find a of t. So a of 2 is going to equal our principal times 1 plus our rate, which is 0.022, all over our n, which is 12, all raised to the n times the t. Okay, so let's go ahead and find those values. So our rate is 0.22 divided by our n, which is 12. Okay, I got this value. I'll just add 1 to it. And this is the next value I got. And we're going to be raising that to the 24th power. So notice I'm just going to keep all of my calculations in my calculator and not simplify. If can, because of all these decimals, I would round off at the very end, not during my calculations. So I know that I'm going to raise that to the 24th power. Okay, and this is the answer I get. Finally, I'm multiplying that by 3,000. And there we go. That is going to be the amount earned there. So, and in terms of cents, I'll go 2 decimals over. And there we go. This is the investment earned after 2 years, 3,134. So, after 2 years, the investment interest is 3,134.82. Okay, go ahead and let's try find 10 years. So the only thing that changes is t is equal to 10. Okay, so plugging that in, a of 10 can equal 3,000 times 1 plus 0.022 all over 10 times 10 to the second power. Oh, sorry, times 12. Whoops. Let's just do over 12. Because that's the n value is 12 times 10. Okay, so simplifying this real quick. All right, and once again, I'm just going to go ahead and stick that all in the calculator. So that's going to be 1 plus, oh, actually, let me just do this value first. 0.022 divided by 12 gives me that amount. Adding 1, I get that. All raised to the 120 power, so raised to 120 gives me this. And then we're multiplying that by 3,000. And the reason I'm doing it all in the calculator is because I don't want to rounding off too much. Okay, and that would be our value. so the interest rate. Oh, sorry. The years. Let me rewrite this. The investment Okay, and there we go. The investment interest is, where's my dollar sign? That much after 10 years. At 2.2%. Not that much. Alrighty, okay, and that is it for 4.1. Here's your homework. Email me if you have any questions.